Well, hello everybody and welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer, and I'm Jenny the Crazy Country Couponer, and I got you another quick dip deal. That's right. You're going to dip in the store, grab this stuff, pay pennies, and run out the door with a big smile on your face, and you know you want to know. So, come on in, and on your way in, please leave an emoji and a comment and like the video. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, that's how we do it here. Yes, we run in, grab those deals, pay pennies, and run back out with a big smile on our face every time. And you want to do that too. And you don't want to miss when we give you that information and those deals and those steals and those glitches. So make sure you hit that red subscription button below and that notification bell, and make sure it says all, and that way you won't miss anything. And make sure everybody read the comments. That is super important because our friends, and they are that. We are all friends. We share our deals, our ideas. Okay? And feel free to do so. And remember, this is a no judgment place. And everybody is polite because we care. Yes, we care about all of our crazy friends. And thank you guys again for being my crazy friends. Now let's talk about this daily deal. This is a quick and easy deal. I mean, if you want to teach your teenagers this, okay? Particularly the boys, because the boys would be the ones that don't really want to do this. But everybody needs to know how to do this right now, because who knows what's coming in our future if things keep climbing like they are. So take your teenagers to do a little couponing. And we're going to pick up some Colgate Optic White, because we've got a $5 off coupon, and it's working on the $7.25 Optic White Pro. Okay, so that leaves that $2.25 out of pocket for that. Then you're going to do, we've got these two shit coupons. Do not clip the $3. If you already did, then it's going to be the $3 that comes off. If you have not, clip the $4. This $3 coupon will work on the 535 men's Schick razors and these classic women's Schick razors. Okay, making them $2.35 out of pocket. Now, this $4 coupon says it only works on this $6.75 Skin Mate razors. Now, what I wanted to tell you is, even though the other coupon, the $3 coupon, says it doesn't attach to this one, it does attach, okay? Because it attached to mine. I have both coupons clipped and only the $3 attached. But either one that attaches, it's still an awesome deal. So $2.25 out of pocket on your toothpaste, $2.35 out of pocket on your razors. You're looking at $4 and 55 cents. Yes, winner chicken dinner. This is like purchasing your razors and getting your toothpaste for free. And that's not no cheap toothpaste, $7 thing of toothpaste. Oh my gosh. That's outrageous, but it is what it is. But you can get it for, what, 70%? It's almost 70% off, guys. Alright, now that's the kind of stuff that you be getting when you hang out with this crazy crowd, okay? And let's see what else. These Downy coupons. Now, they are several Downy coupons. I mean, all shapes and sizes. There's a $3 off. There's a $4.50 off. There is a $4 off. I got a list, guys. I have an absolute list. A $2 off, a $1.75 off. There's like 5 different Downy Unstoppable coupons. There is a $5 off one, but that one's only attaching to the game. So if you like these Downy beads, the Unstoppables, scan, scan, scan all the different sizes, guys. And you can make you up an entire scenario because there's so many of them. Alright, just so you know, this $5 off 3 of these products is still in play. Okay? The glitch for the bounce is still working, at least in the app. So give it a try. Put it in your scenarios if you still have it. And if it doesn't work, of course, you can always return it. And next, this is a really hot deal right now. It went on sale yesterday. We've got the 4 for $14, I think it is, on the Pepsi and the Starries and the Mountain Dews. We've got a $1 off digital coupon. Okay, so that makes that an awesome deal. And my next thing is, we've got this new Purex, buy one, get one free. And this is going to glitch, because it's got 2 items, and one of these items has an urn. Both items has an urn, but I don't know which one is going to show up. The Purex has a 75-cent urn. Oh, maybe not. There it is. $1.50 on the Snuggle. So make sure, like I said, you clip all your urns. So $1.50 off the Snuggle is going to come off. If you get that, buy the Purex and get the Snuggle for free, you're going to get another $1.50 off of that Purex. That Purex is $10.50. So it's going to make that $9 for both products. And I would do this in your 5 off of 25 scenario. Now, as I've explained before, on these urns, when they glitch, it's usually when you're using a multiple coupon, like something that says you got to buy 3 or buy 2. Well, it only sees that one coupon, and it only connects one item to that coupon. So your other items, they'll give you an urn on. Well, your deal for your buy 4 Mountain Dews or Pepsis, and you got a $1 digital coupon coming off, well, you should be able to get... Okay, let's talk about these urns, guys, because we've got some new urns, and we have so many. And it's a great loyalty program, these rebate apps, because it gets you to come back to the store, their store, and spend that money in their store. Unlike if we just use our coupons and save our money, we take that money home with us, okay? This way, when we're saving, we're going right back and spending it in that store. So that being said, I mean, it's, like I said, a great loyalty program. And you can roll your urns, once they're no longer urns and they're spins, you can roll them over to another deal. And it can be deals that you don't have coupons for, or that you don't have a lot, you don't get a lot of coupons for. Or something you buy a lot of. Okay? So, anything you want to use it on. That's the great thing about these urns. Now, what do we have? We've got a 4 for $13 sale on Mountain Dew. We've got a $1 digital coupon that's going to come off, making that 4 for $12. Now, how these urns seem to be glitching is if you have a coupon that says you have to buy 3, and then you get the coupon off, well, the urn or the computer only sees the one coupon and one item. So if you got 3 items, there's still 2 more items that you can get those urns for. And in this case, there's 4. So if you pick up 4 Mountain Dews, You should be able to get a minimum of $4 off this transaction, leaving you out of pocket of $9 for 4 6-pack bottles of Mountain Dew. Now that's a winner chicken dinner right there. And speaking of loyalty programs, guys, thank you for being my loyal crazy friends. And because you are my loyal crazy friends, we're going to play a game, because it's time to give away another Dollar General gift card. And if you're new here, well, this is how we do this. Oh, Lordy, I'm about to show my age. Well, let's talk about loyalty programs. Way back when, they had a lot of different types of loyalty programs. They went so far as to put some beautiful drinking glasses in your detergent boxes. Oh, yes, we love to go get those glasses every week. Your jelly came in these gorgeous little glasses also. Hence the jelly jar glasses. Believe it or not, those things are collector's items now. Washcloths and towels in your detergent. Prizes in your cereal. Yes, big prizes in your cereals, just like Cracker Jacks. What else? Oh, one of my favorites. There was a store that, grocery store, and this one is funny. They used to give you numbers. Basically, they were gambling. And it was horse races. The horse races was run every Saturday. This grocery store, every time you would come in, you would get a number. And if that horse won the race, then you would win free groceries. You would win, you shopped at this store so you could get as many numbers as you could get before Saturday, and then you would watch the races. I remember my mom doing that. And then something that I think they went up until, in the 80s, I think. S&H green stamps, guys. The most popular loyalty program ever. Ran for years and years. Your grandmother saved her S&H green stamps. My mother saved her S&H green stamps. And even I did at one time save S&H green stamps. And if you're too young to know what they are, pick up the phone, call your grandma, call your mama, call your uncle or your aunt. They're going to love telling you about S&H green stamps. But they only came from one store. Excuse me, guys. Allergies got the change of weather's got my voice going. But those S&H green stamps only came from one store. And you would get so many green stamps for ever how much money that you spent. And then you would put them in a booklet. And then you'd save all those booklets up. And it would be lots of booklets. Just so you could get one little teeny item that wasn't even worth $2. But it was free with your green stamps. So guys, this is the question. What store gave out S&H green stamps? And do you have any funny stories about S&H green stamps? Because I would love to hear them. So put it in the comments. And of course, that's how we'll pick our winner. So blessings, and I'll talk to you again real soon.